All right, guys, welcome back after that short advert break. Let us quickly wrap up today's lesson. So in today's lesson, we've looked at hire purchase, and we looked specifically at explanation surrounding hire purchase, and we looked at examples pertaining to that as well. The important words and language that we looked at was deposit first of all, and we indicated that a deposit is an amount of money paid as a first installment. We also indicated this is usually a percentage of the cost of the item. Then, insurance is basically something that provides protection, right, against a possible eventuality. We also indicated there's normally a default clause with hire purchase deals. And what is a default clause? A default clause describes what happens if a person does not pay each installment on time. Okay, so that's basically a guiding factor there. Then we looked at real or total cost of a loan. Here we indicated that amount of money borrowed plus all the interest that must be paid. Okay, so the real or total cost of a loan is the amount of money borrowed plus all the interest that must be paid. Then I would like you to please pay special attention to the following. Okay, these are common errors that we observe, and I would like you to avoid them at all costs. So first of all, I said here, when we work with money, we always round off to 2 decimal places, right? We round off to 2 decimal places, unless in other cases, of course, you round off according to the context or the given instruction. Okay, so that's very key. 2 decimal places normally, or according to the context or the instruction given. Also important is to ensure that you read all the information. As you have seen now, right? We bombarded you with a lot of wording, okay? And it's important that you read all of the information and also that you understand exactly what the question is all about, right? And then what goes with that is always important to underline, to highlight, to encircle the important guiding words. Then in the case of hire purchase, when we calculate monthly installment, we indicated that it's important to convert your years to months, right? In order to get to the correct amount of months to determine the monthly installment. Okay. Also, always make sure that you copy correctly from your calculator. As you've seen, we did a lot of calculation, and if you make a mistake throughout, okay, it will be costly. Then remember to deduct the deposit. As we've seen, deposit normally a percentage. Do your percentage calculation and deduct it. Then ensure that you verify, that you conclude basically based on your calculation. Okay, I hope all of that is clear to you. Guys, before I end our lesson today, I would like to leave you with the challenge, right? That you must please pay attention to this coming week. I've indicated here, your parents want to buy a new washing machine. They are offered a washing machine on a hire purchase deal as follows. So the selling price of the machine is 4,699 Rand. A deposit of 12.5% is required. Then the period of repayment will be 18 months. Simple interest at 18% per annum will be charged on this deal. Then there's also a 20 Rand added to the monthly account fees, and then also an additional insurance premium of 70 Rand per month is needed. So you need to calculate the monthly repayments on this deal. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've learned a lot today, and I'm looking forward to our next lesson. Until next time, goodbye.